Hey guys, welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. I am your host Sharon, and so I've been contacted by a couple places, one being this one, Gershion, through Instagram, and I was also contacted by Rossi Nail Products as well. They both asked me to be a brand ambassador and I agreed. So the first kit we have here is from Gershion. This is their Nude French kit. So I got this off of Amazon, and I will leave the link for this below, guys. And I'm just gonna give you my first impressions and everything on this unboxing. So welcome back to another unboxing and review video, guys. So again, this is Gershion. This is their Nude Polygel Nail Enhancement Kit. And on the back here, you can see it says Gershion, 8 years in the making. Gershion aims to establish a professional manicure online mall which provides all kind of high quality manicure tools for the nail technician or nail addicts. Thank you for choosing Gershion. Wish Gershion beautify and light your life. So this is the US/S/01 kit, and this is their starter French kit. So let's get into it. So nothing real fancy as far as layers in the kit, but on top here you get their business card, which is really cool. Hold on a minute, guys. So you receive their card. Thank you for my dear. Okay. That's where you can find them on Facebook, and I believe this is their email address. So then you have here, I believe these are the directions. So this is, I've already prepped my nails, by the way, so because we're going to be doing some birthday sets and some trying out of the butterfly kit when we're done with this. So right away, I really like what I see. You receive a pack of, I believe this is a 50 count of nail forms. These are the double thick horseshoe shaped nail forms. I actually prefer these to the square ones. So they also give you a really nice hand file. This is actually seems really sturdy. It's 100/180 grit, and it's washable. Has their brand on there, and it's nice and straight. It's not bent, so that's nice. You get their brush, which also has their logo here. Really cool. Some of them, you know, the quality you could tell is not great, because, you know, companies that really take pride in their products, they'll go ahead and have their logo printed. I really feel like that's not always true. Let me just say this. I think when they get to this point, they're on their way. I think there are products out there that don't necessarily have their branding all over the place, but are trying to get to that point. So I can't say that about all products. So I just know what I've tried, what's out there so far. It's not always what it's cracked up to be. This is, it seems like a synthetic brush. So, and I believe it's an oval. So that's nice, at least. It is synthetic. So we'll see how that works. I'm not a big fan of synthetic brushes, but we'll give it a shot. And then that's the spatula side that you saw. So that's our brush, and then they give you a pack of, seems like, I don't know if it's like a 50 count or 25 count or what, but these are their nail forms, and they're the Empress curve. Yeah, it's like an Empress curve shape. And this would probably fit my middle finger here. Yeah. And they have the tabs on the bottom. I just want to let you guys know, I've seen videos where these tabs are down here. They're supposed to be up here so that you could wiggle them and pop it off. So these seem a little flimsy. They're really thin. So I'm not sure how they're gonna work. Maybe it's good that they're thin like this. I'm not sure. I'm not big. I'm not like I haven't used nail forms like dual forms before. So this is their base coat here, and they have their logo on it. I really like the colors on this, and this is their base coat. It is Soak Off Sealer Gel. So that's pretty cool. Let's see the consistency. Ooh, I like the consistency actually. It's not too thick, but it's really not too thin at all. It's a really nice consistency. It actually feels pretty perfect actually. And this is a 8 ml bottle. That's their base coat. You get their top coat, which is also soak off. So it doesn't say whether it's no wipe or not. Let's see the consistency on this. Oh, that's nice too. Seems like this is gonna be a really good base and top. So far so good. We're gonna do some swatches now. So in this kit you get your bean red. I like that they have names on them. This is UV/LED acrylic gel. So that's nice. These are the 30 ml bottles, 1 fluid ounce. So you get your bean red, you get your cover pink, you get your dark pink, you get natural pink, you get white, and you get clear. So I'm really excited that I have a clear and a white because I don't have any. Well, I have a clear from Vetalisa, but I hate it. So yeah, let's just be honest there. So I'm just gonna take this stuff, put it to the side really quick so we could do some swatches of these bad boys. Just put this stuff away neatly, guys. Hold on one moment. Okay, so this is our clear. I'm just gonna do a swatch. I know there's not really much to see with a clear swatch, but let's just see how the consistency is. And feels like these tubes are full, guys. So, cause look, I'm not squeezing that too hard and it's already coming out. So it doesn't seem, let me not talk too soon because I just don't wanna have an air bubble pop out at me. It does seem a little difficult though to squeeze out of the tube. I will say that. Okay, so that's our clear. Seems clear enough. See the consistency. Oh yeah, I like how the consistency is because it's not, doesn't seem super sticky like my Vetalisa one. So I like that. I like that I have a clear now because now I'll be able to like take some of this and encapsulate other products without having to work too hard at using like the base gels and stuff to cover it. So I really like that they're covered, sealed with the foil. This is dark pink next, guys. These are on there good. These tubes seem really full. I really like that they're full, completely full. This is their dark pink. It's coming out really nice. Look at that, guys. That's really pretty. I like the dark pink. That's really nice. And like I said, honestly, so far, I'm giving this a 5 out of 5 because the bottles are full. The colors are very pretty, well pigmented. This is the bean red. I love that they named the colors. I really like that because a lot of places just give them like numbers. This is the bean red, guys. Again, another nice full one. A little bit of an air pocket there, but not too bad. Look at that. That's really pretty. I'm thinking I'm gonna probably do, because I'm gonna be doing one side with this kit and I'm gonna be doing the other hand with the other kit. So that's bean red, dark pink, and clear so far, guys, from the French starter kit from Gershion. This is natural pink. Really pretty. I like how the consistency is with their product too. A little bit of an air bubble there. This is the natural pink. Very cute. And next we have the Cover Pink. Loving these, loving these. Let me know if you guys have used Gershion, what you think about their products, and if you think they're worth the money. I definitely think it's worth the money. This kit is, I believe, $39.99 on Amazon. And if you have Prime, obviously you'll get the 1-day, 2-day free shipping. That's their Cover Pink. I like it. I think it has more of like an orange undertone, but it's really pretty. Very effective. And last but surely not least, this is their white. So let's see how white it really is. And I'm gonna love this kit for French. It's definitely a good kit for French ombres. Perfect for French ombres. This is their last color in the kit, and this is the white. I'm really excited that I have a white now. That's their white. It's nice. I really like these a lot. I love how they self-level. I love how they look. I love the consistency. I've said that a billion times. But I really like this kit. And I can't wait to use it too. Stay tuned for that, guys, because we'll have the Butterfly SXC on one hand, and we'll have the Gershion French with some Halloween-y designs on the other. So stay tuned for that, guys. You won't want to miss that. Thank you so much for stopping in and doing this review with me and another unboxing here on Sharon's Nail Boutique. I knew this wasn't a long video, but I really appreciate you guys being here. Let's see how long these take to cure. Really appreciate you guys being here so much. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you did so. I always subscribe back to all my subbies, and yeah, so we can support one another. So here is your layout, guys. That is a 30 ml 6-piece kit. This is their French ombre set, and you can find them, of course, at Gershion.com, www.Gershion.com, but also you can find them on Amazon. It seems like a very decent brand, and so far I'm liking everything I'm seeing, and we will be getting into using these products as well, so we can really see if you get that much bang for your buck. But so far, for the unboxing and the review, guys, I'm giving this a 5 out of 5, and you'll see in the next video whether they're truly worth the 40 bucks. I personally think that they are, just from looking at it personally, but that's just my opinion because I've used several polygels so far. So yeah, I really like this. Okay, so it seems like with Gershion, some of these take a little longer to cure. Yeah, Gershion is definitely a product that you want to cure for probably 2 minutes. So that being said, guys, just keep that in mind. It may also have something to do with the fact that I'm using this 24-watt lamp. I hope that's not the case, but if it is, no big deal. And so we're gonna put this kit away and say that this was another badass bang for our buck with this kit here. So definitely would recommend you guys buying this. If you like polygels, I definitely recommend Gershion. I'll know for certain too in our next video whether this is a kit for just kind of around the house bullshitting around nails, like something you could use just to kind of throw on some nail art videos, or if it's something you can wear for a few weeks and be okay by the end of it and it lasts, you know. So we'll be able to tell more of that from doing the video itself. However, for now, this was our Gershion unboxing and review, swatch review video, and I can't wait to show you the rest, guys. So until then, for everyone that's returned and watched this video, thank you so much for stopping in, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you all so much. Bye, guys.